talk to you first. So I'm headed down to the field right now. Yesterday we brought the combine down, got that hooked up to the header, got everything kind of set. We took a sample, it was like 19.2, 19.3, which is pretty wet. But today the humidity at like noon was at like 40%, so I'm wondering if it's dried down some. And if it has dried down like a percent or two, I wouldn't be hesitant to try to go. I just like to get things moving. We do have that wet bin available, whether we want to throw it, throw it on the ground, put some fans on it, or run it through the dryer. I would say about half the years just to get ourselves going. We ran, the first field or two through the dryer. And with those manure guys getting antsy to get up here and get our manure on, I kind of want to just run it through quick. Drying wheat doesn't take long. Yeah, we'll see where we're at today. I'll give you an update a little bit. Went and grabbed a sample from my dad quick, and she had dried down, so Lego. So I went back and grabbed the truck. It's time to harvest some wheat, folks.